Hello everyone, welcome back to a new channel. Students, in today's episode, we will explore the history, politics, geography to understand one of the most complex issue of our time, the India-China border issue. All right, so today we'll learn how and when the border dispute began and efforts made by leaders to fix it, and why, even after decades, a final agreement hasn't been reached. Okay, so yes, so let's start. Now, students, to understand today's problem, we must go back in time during 1962. Yes, 1962. So, India and China fought a war over the boundary between the two countries. And this boundary is known as the line of actual control, LAC. Okay, line of actual control. But the tricky part is both countries have different ideas about where this line actually is. Okay, and because of this, even though there's no major war right now, the tension, petrol clashes, and sometimes even violence also took place at the border. है ना, आपने सुना होगा गलवान वैली में डोकलाम इशू, राइट? अब देखो स्टूडेंट्स, 1962 में इंडिया चाइना वॉर हुआ। 1979 में देखो क्या हुआ। 1979 में a big step was taken. Okay, so during the prime ministership of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, uh, who was basically in 1979, yes, Atal Bihari Vajpayee was, yes, Atal Bihari Vajpayee's period as prime minister saw rapids up and downs in the China-India relation. Okay, so in 1979, Atal Bihari Vajpayee was external affairs minister. Okay, not prime minister, he was external affairs minister, and he visited China. So this was a historic visit because it was the first time a senior Indian leader had gone to China since the 1962. तो 1962 में देखो अब दोनों देशों के बीच में लड़ाई हुई है, ठीक है? तो ऑफ कोर्स रिलेशन कैसे होंगे, सार होंगे। तो उसके बाद 1979 में अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी चाइना विजिट करते हैं एज एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर, एंड दिस वाज क्वाइट हिस्टोरिक. So his goal was simple, to start talking again and reduce the hostility. जो hostility है उसको reduce करना है. Right. Now, students, I'll ask you one question. Imagine two friends are fighting. So what's the first thing they need to do to resolve their fight? Yes. The answer is that they need to talk. Right? So when Vajpayee became prime minister in the late 1990s, what he wanted? He wanted to push for peace. Okay, he wanted to push for peace, but there were ups and downs. So in 1998, what happened? Yes, in 1998, India conducted nuclear tests. So this made China quite unhappy. Okay, and still, Atal Bihari Vajpayee was trying. So he even wrote to China explaining that India wanted peaceful relations. Right. Now, the turning point came during Vajpayee's visit to Beijing in 2003, which is capital of China. So he proposed something very important. He said, let's appoint special representatives or SRs, whose only job will be to resolve the border problem. ठीक है? तो मतलब कि जैसे दो कंट्री हैं, दो कंट्री के लीडर्स हैं, आपस में मिलते हैं और डिसाइड करते हैं, क्योंकि देखो हमारे बीच में बॉर्डर इशू काफी टाइम से चल रहा है, तो लेट्स डू वन थिंग, हम एक स्पेशल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव अपॉइंट कर देते हैं जिनका मेन काम क्या है कि बॉर्डर प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करना. सो चाइनीज साइड अग्रीड. फ्रॉम इंडिया, yes, from India, National Security Advisor Brijesh Mishra was chosen, and from China, Dai Bigungo, a senior politician, was selected. So this was a big moment because it showed that both countries were serious about finding a solution. ओके, तो एसआर का मेनली आप कैसे सोच सकते हो, स्पेशल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव एक तरीके से जैसे रेफरी होते हैं फुटबॉल मैच में, जिनका काम क्या है, टू मेक फेयर डिसीजंस एंड कीप बोथ साइड्स काम, राइट? सो दैट वाज द रोल ऑफ एसआर. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड, सो ये सब चल रहा था 2003 में, राइट? अब 2005 में क्या हुआ? By 2005, the SRs had worked hard and they created a document with rules called Political Partners and Political Parameters and Guiding Principles. Okay, so this agreement was like a map showing how both countries could move forward. And they included some key points, some important key points, which is mentioned in this column, right? So, key points were like Article 6. Article 6 says that, yes, that the boundary should be along well-defined and easily identifiable natural geographic features. Okay, so that both sides must respect and protect the people living in border areas. Article 7, Article 7 भी क्या कह रहा है? Article 7 क्या कह रहा है? That both sides must keep the border peaceful. Okay, now these sounds simple, right? But here where things got complicated. Both countries actually disagrees about where the border actually was. कि border actually में है कहाँ पर? चाइना कह रहा है कि जो important area अरुणाचल प्रदेश जिसमें जो तवांग है वो उनका है. And India strongly said no, Tawang is ours. So even though there was a framework, no final settlement happened. Right? Now this becomes your homework. आपको मैप खोलना है, आपको देखना है तवांग कहाँ पर है. Right? Now problems on the ground. What were the problems on the ground? See, even after the agreement, tensions continued, especially in two key places. कौन-कौन सी जगह पे? लद्दाख. लद्दाख आपको पता है, it's in JNK. तो लद्दाख in the west and Arunachal Pradesh in the east. The main issue was the line of actual control, LAC, was not clearly marked. Right? तो जैसे ये इंडिया का है, यहाँ पे नेपाल है, फिर भूटान है, एंड देन तो यहाँ पे लद्दाख, तो यहाँ से LAC है, राइट? इन here we have LAC. So it is not clearly marked. Right? In the same way, अब क्या हो रहा था कि चाइना क्या कह रहा है, कि चाइना कह रहा है कि नहीं जी, जो LAC है वो यहाँ से नहीं, वो और थोड़ा अंदर है, तवांग वाला रीजन भी हमारा है. So Indian and Chinese soldiers, they often patrol different areas leading to clashes. अब देखो एक क्रिकेट फील्ड है जहां पे ना किसी को भी नहीं पता कि बाउंड्री रोप कहां पर है. So what will happen? Players will keep arguing over whether the ball was inside or outside. So that is the same thing happening. Indian and Chinese soldiers, they often patrolled different areas, and that often led to clashes. And sometimes these clashes even turned violent, जैसे गलवान वैली में हुआ था 2020 में. Right? So years later, after all these talks, something surprising came to light. इंडिया के जो पहले फॉर्मर नेशनल सिक्योरिटी एडवाइजर थे, शिवशंकर मेनन, he revealed that special representatives had actually reached a framework for a final solution. मतलब कि प्लान रेडी हो गया है, अब बस एक ऑब्स्टेकल है, वो है पॉलिटिकल विल. ठीक है, जो लीडर्स हैं दोनों कंट्री के, दोनों को काम साथ में मिलकर करना होगा. क्यों? देखो चाइना क्या इंसिस्ट कर रहा है बार बार कि इंडिया को तवांग दे देना है, कि इंडिया को तवांग चाइना को दे दे. Okay, so that is what China keep on insisting, and India, of course, India is going to refuse, na? So on the other hand, both countries had rising nationalism. तो इसकी वजह से भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है, राइट? तो अगर प्रेजेंट टाइम में हम देखें कहाँ कहाँ पे क्या क्या इशू है, देखो 2003 में अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी ने बोल्ड प्लान स्टार्ट किया एंड स्पेशल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स आर अपॉइंटेड टू फोकस ओनली ऑन दिस प्रॉब्लम, बॉर्डर इशू. So by 2005, what happened? They had created a strong framework and with rules, but China, China insisted on getting Tawang, while India refused. So the talks are stuck. Even today, final settlement नहीं हुआ अभी भी. ठीक है, अभी भी issue है. So border remains disputed. कभी कभी occasional clashes हो जाते हैं, mistrust इसकी वजह से increase होता है. राइट. अब इससे होगा क्या, देखो नेशनल सिक्योरिटी, देखो एक क्लियर अगर बॉर्डर होगा तो उससे क्या होता है, उससे वॉर्स नहीं होते हैं. ठीक है, अ क्लियर बॉर्डर हेल्प्स प्रिवेंट वॉर्स एंड इट कीप्स आवर सोल्जर्स सेफ. Moreover, students, India and China, they are two of the world's biggest economies. तो अगर ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता ना, अगर बॉर्डर पे इशू चल रहा है फिर ट्रेड और बिजनेस है वो स्मूथली चले, उसमें भी इश्यूज आ सकते हैं, पॉसिबिलिटी है. ठीक है. और जो लोग रह रहे हैं, पीपल हु आर लिविंग नियर द बॉर्डर, दे फेस अनसर्टेनिटी एवरी डे. सो अ सेटलमेंट वुड bring them stability and safety. Right. So now students, what your homework is that you need to draw map of India and its northern border areas. आपको मार्क करना है लद्दाख कहाँ पे है, अरुणाचल प्रदेश कहाँ पे है, लाइन ऑफ एक्चुअल कंट्रोल कहाँ है. Okay, and just write in 2 to 3 sentences why it's important for countries to have clear borders. So this is your homework. All right, so that will be all for today, students. I'll meet you in the next episode. Till then, keep asking questions and take care. Bye bye.